Hi crafty friends, it's Mona here. I am thrilled to announce that I am a part of the Pear Blossom Press Easy Lights giveaway hub, which is open internationally for 1 week. Today I am going to show you how to light up your cards in the easiest way, as well as how to color your images to pop out on your card. Before I am starting to create, I want to show you how to use this interactive card element. Amanda, the owner of Pear Blossom Press, was super sweet and sent me a pack of Easy Lights. I was super excited to open it and try it. Maybe first it looks scary, but trust me, it's not. Each unit has 3 pre-wired LEDs, so you can light up more things at once. You can use them in light up cards, on your scrapbook layouts, in mixed media projects, and wherever you want. Just snap the included battery with the positive side up, push the purple switch, and you are done. It's easy, as its name says, right? Okay, now let's start the card making process, and I will show you how I am placing it in my card. I stamped and die cut the images from the Really High Five, A Bug Deal, Hey Lady, and Push Here Lump Fun stamps and dies. I did it off camera to save a little time, because I know that you like to watch my coloring more than that. As always, I am using my favorite way for coloring. I added the die cut and fussy cut images to a purple tape by Thermoweb. I am starting always with the darkest color, then pick a lighter, and finally the lightest. The result will pop out the image. I will always show the actually used colors on the left side, so you can follow easily. You can use your own favorite color combos too. Just an easy thing to remember. Start with the darkest color, then finish with the lightest. If you have time, try to do the same process twice to build up the image with more contrast. Now I am turning up a little music and I will be back soon with the next process. Enjoy the coloring! When the coloring was done, I added white highlights with Signo-Unable white pen and let the images dry. The next step was the ink blending on a Bristol Smooth cardstock. I wanted to create a bluish-pinkish night sky, so I started with Blue Pen Sketch, then continued with Wilted Violet and Seedless Preserve Distress Oxide inks, and closed the blending with Picked Raspberry Distress Oxide ink. In the end, I wanted to add something extra, so I finished the top with Chipped Sapphire Distress Mini ink to make it a little darker. Because this background should be a pretty night sky, first I am splattering on it with clear water, then I am splattering on it with white watercolor and let it dry. And now the most exciting part, to put the light up interactive card together. When you are making light up cards, you will need 2 foam adhesives or one but thicker to hide the battery and switch. This time I am going to use thicker foam adhesive sheets by scrapbook.com in 5.5 by 4.25 inches. I am going to hide the switch and the lights as well, so I searched for special size dies in my stash, which are coordinating with my idea. I found this small door from the Peekaboo die set from Fun, and it will be okay for me. Now I am adhering the night sky to the foam adhesive. Next I want to cut the circles on my card for the LED lights. I found a nice match between the stamped balloons and the skinny circle frame dies by Heffy Doodle. But first I am just checking with my colored critters where I want to place it and run it through my die cut machine. I noticed that I forget to add a heat embossed sentiment, so I quickly made it off camera. And now I am putting the easy lights to their right place. I am adding aluminum foil to the back of the lights. This is not necessary, feel free to skip this part, it just helps to add more reflection to the balloons. I am in love with this interactive element and I am sure that you will too. Don't forget, in our giveaway hop, one lucky winner will win a pack of Pear Blossom Press Easy Lights, and it's opened internationally. For more information, be sure to check the description box. And my interactive card is ready! Yay! Let's chit-chat about the light up cards in the comment section. Did you try interactive lights? If yes, what is your favorite way to use them? If not, why not? I hope you have enjoyed my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Happy hopping! Bye!